So Claude has added a lot of connectors for creative tools. And if you're not familiar, then let me show you this article here from Anthropic and let me show you the list because it's very likely that you use at least one of these tools. We'll scroll down. We'll put the link to this this post from Anthropic in the description if you want to go through it yourself. Let me see. Yeah, perfect. So now these are their new connections from Claude to different creative tools. And I'll go down the list. They have Ableton, which I've not used before. Adobe's probably the biggest one on here. And you see on here, it connects to 50 plus tools. It's basically connects to Creative Cloud if you're familiar. And let me actually click on this. Yeah. So this opens up Claude and like the Claude connector section. And this connects to, this isn't all 50, but these are some of the big ones with Adobe. So it connects to Photoshop, Lightroom, Illustrator, Firefly, Premiere, Express, InDesign, Stock. Again, there's a lot more than that, but those are some pretty big names just there. But again, 50 plus tools. Basically, Claude can now connect to Adobe Creative Cloud. I don't use Adobe because I use Affinity, but next on the list is Affinity. So Claude now connects to Affinity. Affinity was recently acquired by Canva, so now it's technically connects to Canva, sort of. But Affinity, again, if you're not familiar, it was basically created as like a lower cost version of like Adobe Photoshop and Illustrator. And then now it's just kind of taken off. But that connects now. Autodesk Fusion, which is 3D modeling software, really kind of high-end professional 3D modeling software. Blender, we did a separate video about that, but that is open source 3D modeling software, also 2D modeling, animation, a bunch of things with that. I'm not sure how to pronounce this. I've never used it. I think it's Resolume Arena and then Resolume Wire, and I'm not really familiar with that, so I can't speak much to what it does. SketchUp also does 3D modeling. This is usually more on like the house, like architecture side. And then Splice, which is, I believe, royalty-free music. So Claude now has connectors for all of these. And again, if you use any kind of creative tools, you create content or do whatever, you likely use something on this list, probably Adobe, but you probably use something on this list. And there's a couple of things in here, and it's just like, here's how you can use it. It's like learning and mastering tools, extending tools, bridging tools to a pipeline, etc. But I mean, the big story here is just that, like, they have all these new connectors to all these really popular tools. And if you combine all the stuff you can do with Claude and then combine with what you can do with all these tools, it opens up a world of just possibilities. So again, we'll link this article in the description, and then if you're interested, you can kind of go in there. If you're ready to use Claude, you can just go into the connectors area and then connect to whichever release you have. But if that's interesting, take a look at it, and we'll see you next time.